Hi Marie, I just wanted to let you see what the new format's going to look like. So you can see here that you've got, it says for the week of, and then it'll just be the dates of each of the documents. And what I was thinking is that you'd probably complete a full month on this side of the screen. And then once that's done, then you could throw it into the archive on this side of the screen, and you would add one of these blue blocks. I'll show you how to do all of this um, for that month, and then you just copy everything that's on this side of the screen into that block, and that's that. You don't have to worry about finding the links and all that again once you've done it the one time on here. Anyway, that's sort of this is where we're going to get to, and just let me know if you have any questions about how we get there as I finish the directions. Thanks very much. So this is our starting point. We're logged into the back end of the website. You've got this Beaver Builder icon here. Just click on that. Once that disappears, you'll see Weekly Opportunities page. That means you're in Beaver Builder. You go down to where it says Weekly Files Added here. Click on that. That will open up the file. Just put your cursor down here, and we'll add one of the existing weekly opportunities. So we go to Media Library, and we'll grab November 17th. Probably the big thing to remember here is that it should say whatever the date of it is, because whatever's in this title field is what will pop into the box. So I said insert and post, and then you see it says November 17th. So now let's add another file. So we do the same thing again, add media. You can either upload the file if it's not already there. If it's already there, just go to Media Library, find the previous one, which I think is here, and then again, just make sure it says whatever the date of the file is. So November 10th, and that will automatically put it into the post. There you see November 10th. So the next thing to do really is to save this, and so when you do that, you'll see you've got November 17th and November 10th right there under weekly files added here. So we probably don't want to have the weekly files added here, so we'll just go back in, and to delete, we just highlight that, click the delete button on the keyboard, and then we'll be fine, and we'll see the documents. Next thing is to go over here to the archive section. So what we want to do is to create an archive for November 2019, and we do that just by clicking here. Then we go over here, add item, edit item, and that label for that item is going to be November 2019. Click save. And you'll notice it doesn't show up on this side. Actually, it does. It's just at the bottom of the list. So we want to put that up at the top of the list. So we go back here, put your cursor over November 2019. Once it changes into this four-arrowed icon, just hold down your left mouse button and just drag it. And you can just drag it right to the top. Pop it down right above June 2019, and you'll see that now this becomes November 2019. And of course it's empty, so we'll just save that for now, just so that you now have a sense of the layout. So this is where you're putting in the weekly opportunities, and here is where the archive is going to be once the month is done. For our purposes, though, we'll assume we're at the end of November. So now, of course, the question is, how do I get these documents from here over there? That actually is not too difficult at all. We just go back here, highlight it, click, and then we're just going to do a copy and a paste. So we'll just highlight both of these documents and then copy them. So you can do the copy by right mouse clicking. And we go copy, then just save this so that that stays in place. Come back over here to November, click edit item, put your cursor down there, and then just go paste, and the links and everything are already in place. We click save, then save again just to keep it all in place and then saved properly. Then last thing is you go up here to done, click publish, and there you go, you're done. So if you now go under November, you'll see that you've got the links to November 17th and November 10th already there. And of course, they're here. Once the month is done and say you're into December, then just list the different weeks here. And then at the end of December, you can do the extra step of creating a December 2019 month, copy and paste the documents from there into there, and you're basically done. So this way you only have to find the link once, and as you're doing it for each week, and you don't have to re-find the links, which I think is probably a bit of the issue with the way it was set up before. Anyway, I hope this helps. Certainly let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.